Let's consider how we may implement the finite stack based on the array. So in the main application code, it should be something like this. Let me anyway include a IO stream just in case we use cout. Then here we are going to use fstack class there, main there. So we are going to create the fstack object named S1 by providing the size of the array to be used. So by doing this, we expect that inside the computer memory, we create fstack object named S1, and then we are going to create an array with 5 elements. Since the array size is determined in the application area, so I don't want to put this array inside S1 object. In S1, I want to have simply a pointer pointing to address of the array just created. So this array will be dynamically created based on the size provided here, and then S1 fstack object will just remember the address of the first element. So dynamic allocation will be done. And then in S1, I need to know how many elements of the array has been created. So we are going to have some size member variable to remember that and the like. So let's begin writing code for this idea so far. So in fstack, in private member, I'm going to have an integer pointer p array, which is this guy, to store the address of the first element array dynamically created, and then size of the array is remembered here. Then in one of the public member should be constructor. So fstack constructor takes integer, which is the size of the array. Then actual implementation, I need to include fstack.h, then constructor. The integer size is provided, then we need to initialize a size there. So here we have a p array, so we are going to allocate an array with this size dynamically. And then capacities are all remembered by size member here. So this is creation of the objects through constructor, and then in the constructor, whenever you use dynamic memory allocation, also consider when to free the memory so that we can avoid memory leakage. So once the fstack object is done or it dies, we need to free the memory. So we need to give a destructor. In the destructor, what we need to do is free the array. To free the array, we need to give a blank square bracket. If it's not an array, blank square bracket should not be used at all. So that's what you need to do for constructor and destructor. For the first test, we need to create the make file since we have separated those files. Let's do that in next video.